Hi ladies. Okay, so I thought I'd just film myself and upload this video of me showing you a few of our products that we have that is available for purchase tonight. And this is a must-have. This is our Power Chef, and then what it is a manual food processor. So it comes with a paddle, but this is our blade, and it comes with a cover. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make salsa, and we are gonna start with 3 cloves of garlic. You can use 3 or 4. My husband did 3 for me. Half of an onion, and we're gonna throw all that in. Normally I put like a Hawaiian chili pepper in there, but we're moving, so I packed everything, so I don't have it. So we're gonna have to do without it. And all you do is put the cover on, and I'm gonna pull this string, and there you go. So now that's all chopped up. Let me get my spatula. And what we're gonna add in is, oh, you know what I forgot? Is the can of stewed tomatoes. Hunter, can you get me a can of stewed tomatoes from the cabinet, please? And it calls for half a lime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this lime. I have to try and make it as easy as possible for me to squeeze out the juice, because I don't have my zest and press. So we're gonna have to get as much of this as I can without putting seeds in here. Okay, so that's half a lime. And then I have 3 tablespoons of Southwest Chipotle seasoning. So this is gonna make it spicy, a little bit spicy, not as spicy as my husband would like it. And then we have our cilantro. So this is our fridge smart container. This is on special right now for the month of March. And this will keep your fruits and vegetables fresher 3 times longer. So we're gonna just take a handful of cilantro. You don't like too much cilantro, yeah? My husband doesn't care for too much cilantro in it. So I'll just put a handful of cilantro. And a can of stewed tomatoes. So we're gonna throw that in there as well. So this is super simple. You can get this ready in 10 minutes for a party. And my husband just loves this salsa. He's always telling me to make it. So all we're gonna do now is pull this string, and this will chop everything up. And so you can determine how chunky you want your salsa. But, oops. Oh shucks, I'm making a mess. This is it. There you go. That's your salsa. How easy was that? So if you guys see anything you like, comment below. I will be posting more sales specials throughout the evening, and I will be taking your orders as well. Myself or Chas will be helping you guys out. Thanks for watching.